Question number 1. A ball is initially 50 meters above the ground, 50 meters above the ground. Very, very important point. So it is 50 meters above the ground, and the ball is thrown vertically upwards and takes 5 seconds to reach the ground. You throw it from here, it goes all the top to the topmost point, and then it returns back to the ground. And the time taken is seen to be 5 seconds. Okay. Here it is negligible. What is the initial speed of the ball? What is the speed of the ball? Now towards it, what we need to do is, see, the ball describes a displacement of, this is your displacement. So therefore, if I consider this as my x-axis and this as my positive y-axis, this should be negative y-axis, and this height is 50 meters. So since it is negative y-axis, I can write s is equal to minus 50 meters over here. Okay, and now let me use my equations of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at squared. So S is minus 50. U I do not know. I need to find the t. The total time taken from here to here is 5 plus half into a value. Acceleration due to gravity is always negative. It is minus 10 multiplied by t square. T square, what is t square? T is also given to you 5, so which should be 25. Let me solve this. So this should be 5u, and 5 into 25 should be 125. So this should be minus 125. So this means 5u, I will write it here. So this means 5u should be equal to 125 minus 50, which should be 75. U should be 75 by 15, 75 by 5, right? 75 by 5, which should be 5 ones are 5 5s are, which is 15 meter per second. So the answer is 15 meter per second. Okay.